Another one. Oh my god. Another one. Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe
What the heck?
warning for Chris County in central Georgia
What?
until 4 p.m. Eastern.
What is happening?
At 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dills, or 14 miles west of Ashburn, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
What the frick? Hang on. Wake up, please.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
So weird. I hate you.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding.
Oh, alright. Okay.
Call the National Weather Service toll free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National
This is uncalled for, bro.